Hello everyone. So today we go with 10.2. So the polygons. Polygons is the closed figure that the plan determined by the three or more straight lines for the segment. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4 line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 line, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line or 3 line. So because it says three or more. So this one, three or more straight line segment. Okay, so we have a polygon, a straight line segment that form the polygon called the side, and a point where two sides meet is called a vertex, a plural vertex. This means more than one vertex. The union of the side of the polygon are the interval called a polygon uh, region. A regular polygon is the one whose sides are all the same length and whose interval angle have the same measurements. So a polygon name a curve for the sides. So like they have a polygon, they have three sides. That is triangle. So the number sides that is the triangle, or the four sides that is uh, quadrilateral. Uh, and the five side, the pentagon, the six sides hexagon, the seven sides the heptagon, the eight side is the octagon, the nine side nonagon, the 10 side decagon, 12 side decagon, and the 20 sides icosagon. So the polygon, um, the sum of measures integral angle n side polygon is n minus 2 times for 180. So for example, if we use this for triangle, and we can see this, if a triangle, so n minus 2 times 180, or n which we have 3 minus 2. So this one is 180, which we know already for the triangle. If the hexagon, we have six sides for this one, so we 6 minus 2, 180. So this one is 720 degrees. So we have all that. So this one is the numbers, important numbers right there. So the top of the triangle, we call acute triangle. Um, ac- acute triangle, or triangle and acute. So less than 90 or greater than 0. So this one acute triangle, one angle acute. So this one is one angle is big. So I can see this one angle right here is one X angle. I hope you can see that. That is the X angle. So 90 degrees, less than X, less than 180 degrees. So that is the angle right there. You can see that. I can zoom out. That is the angle right there. That is the acute triangle. So we have type of the triangle, right triangle, one right triangle. So this one, the perpendicular, this one is 90 degrees. Triangle, or two sides, isolates triangle. We have two sides, triangle, two equal sides, and two equal angles. Side angle. So another one, we have equilateral triangle. Triangle is there is three angle is 90. So they have a three equal size triangle. This one is three equal size triangle. but I don't know, somehow is this one is not the right triangle. Um, and then we have isosceles triangle with the none two sides equal the length. So none two sides equal the length. Uh, Triangle. So I know as they should be equal. So no two sides are equal is the so um the similar triangle. Two figure are the similar if they corresponding equal. So look like this triangle right here, FED, and um and CBA. So this one is similar because look like this one, and we zoom out for this, so become a big number, the big one. So this look like a zoom out, or we can call corresponding size. Um, so we have um, morning plan to remove the tree from her backyard. Oh, this one is example. The similar triangle for figure out the height of the tree. So Monique planned to remove the tree from her backyard. She need to know the height of the tree. Monique is the 6 feet tall and determine that her when her shadow is 9 feet long and the shadow of the tree is 45 feet long. So how tall for the tree? So we see this one the morning. She tall is only 6 feet, and but her shadow is 9 feet, and the tree right here. So the tree is from here to here. That from here to here that is 45 feet. So they want to know how tall for that tree. So we can do with the corresponding triangle. So this one is 6, this one is X corresponding with the 6. So this size right here. So we can let me draw the triangle for you can see the triangle is more easier. Um, okay. Uh, this one, this one, hold on. This triangle, this one, uh, this one. Oh, okay. And then okay. So this one, that's the right triangle. This one is the right triangle. This one 6 feet. This one 9. So this one a 45 for the whole thing. So this one a 45. So this one is a 45. Okay. So this one is the X. So this angle right here. See this? So we can see this. So X over 6 equal so 45 over 9. So therefore X equal so 45 times 6 over 9, so X equal 30 feet. So the tree tall is 30 feet tall. So this one 30 feet tall. So the tree is 30 feet tall. Okay, so we have already. So computer figure if corresponding side of two similar triangle are the same length and the figures congruent. So they have the same, they congruent. Corresponding angle is the congruent figure. We have the same measurements. So quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is the four side polygon. The sum whole intervals angle is 360. Quadrilateral may clarify according to the characteristic. So so for this we can have as like quadrat, so 4, right? So the formula is n minus 2 times for 180, right? So n is 4 minus 2, so time for 180. So which is we can say 360, right? So that is 360. So 360, that is perfect. So we have quadrilateral, so trapezoid, two sides Apollo. So this one two sides Apollo. So Apollo, two sides parallel. So parallelogram, both side pair is opposite parallel for two sides. Um so this one is parallel. That's just the opposite side is parallel. Cora triangle the rhombus. Both pair at the opposite sides parallel and four sides are equal length. So we have all four sides equal length and the all four side is parallel. So rectangular both sides opposite sides parallel, but both pair is opposite sides equal length. So the angle is right triangle. So and quadratic another one, so square. Both pair is opposite side are parallel and the four sides are equal length is the same triangle. So all these four sides right here, they have the same length and the same triangles. Same thing. For example, a trapezoid A, B, C, D is we show, so determines the measure intervals of the angle X. So this one is Y, so this one is 130, this one is 90, this one is 90. So what is we have for this one? So this one for the A, so what is we have for that one? So for A, we're looking for the X. So as we know, X plus 130 plus 90 plus 90 equal for 360. We know already. So this one X plus 310, 360. So X we get is 50. So we know X is 50. So I can write it down X is 50, right? And then we can see this. So because this one is the trapezoid, so we can see this because this so this one n minus 2 180. So I say like how do we know this? So this one is how the step we do this. So this one of 4 minus 2 is 180. So this one is 360. See that? Okay, for the we looking for the B. So this one is 50. So we have Y plus 50. Remember this one for the straight line. So Y equal 130 because it's 180 minus 50. That's 130. Okay, so thank you very much. Uh, thank you very much for this.